Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Green Metaverse token, 7 daily update. We are going to see the next price targets. Of course, before we continue, I hope that you're having a fantastic day wherever you are. And do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Let's go right now to see GMT against USDT chart. On the daily frame right here, what do we have is a little bit of a lower high. I wouldn't say a little bit, but you can see the bearish RSI divergence playing out. And therefore, right now, what do we have though is a bullish RSI divergence coming in from the 12th May onto the 26th May close. And this is why over the last few days, you can see GMT does not go down. Instead, it goes all the way up and up. But right now, we need to see if this uptrend will continue, if this is a huge bullish RSI divergence that will let us go all the way up, or it will be weak going into a certain target and then we are going to fall. Let's see GMT against Bitcoin chart first. And as you can see right here for GMT against Bitcoin chart, if we go on the daily frame right there, we do not have a bullish RSI divergence for GMT against BTC. But of course, we had a very strong oversold situation going on, but we still have the 50-day MA and the 20-day MA as a resistance level. Right now, what I would do is to draw the Fibonacci from this top to this bottom down here. And as you can see, we are having the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement as a major resistance level, which was also back here the lowest support line. Okay. So it is the point 404013. It is very possible that we cannot go above this line. Okay, so it is very possible that GMT against Bitcoin chart will go further down. On the 4-hour frame rate here, we are still below the 50-day exponential moving average, and we have a high risk. So I would say that GMT will possibly go a little bit further down. If we go to the 1-hour frame, you can see that we have kind of a little bit of a lower high. We reached this target, however, we have a little bit of a bearish RSI divergence going on, so we will be going a little bit further down towards the next support levels, which could be the point 4035.54, sorry, but we can draw always a Fibonacci retracement. Okay, I can just delete this one right here, and you will see that, oh, I just deleted the old one, but do not worry, I will be drawing another one. Okay, this time from the bottom to the top, there we are, and we have the support level of 0.403664 and 4035.24. All right, so therefore these will be the support levels. We are holding a little bit the 20-day MA good, but I think that we will be going further down. For GMT against USDT chart, this will mean that if we go to the 4-hour frame, you will realize that we are above the 50-day MA, but unfortunately, we might be dropping a little bit further down. Although, what I have seen and I like is that despite the fact that we had a higher high in the 1-hour frame, actually, we didn't have a bearish RSI divergence. So I would say that we have most chances into maybe continuing this once maybe we go down below 30s again. Or maybe if we go here, then we bounce back up. I do not know what the RSI level will be, but I'm really optimistic that we can continue and we can continue to go even higher for GMT against USDT chart. At the same time, on the 4-hour frame, we are having a little bit of a high risk with the commodity channel index. So I'm expecting the next hours to be a little bit slight bearish for GMT against USDT chart. So you can see the exact price targets that we are going to have, drawing the fib from the bottom to the top. You can see that we have the first one is the 1.1650 and the second one is the 1.10, and of course we have the third one, which is very important support level, and which sits at around 1.05. Going around there, we could have actually a buying pressure. However, if we struggle more, then we will be going down to the point of 618, sorry, and to the 0.786. 0.94 Fibonacci retracement. These are the support levels that we will be holding, and most likely we will hold either the 1.05 or the 1 USDT. For me personally, that is the case. After we have on the daily frame a huge resistance level sitting around here, okay, because the 20-day MA will be going down. 1.40 is a very huge resistance level for GMT against the USDT chart. In the time being, we do not have any overbought situation on the daily frame, so I would assume that, yeah, on the daily frame we are good to go and we are good to go all the way higher. But you can see this resistance level is a very huge resistance level coming in because we were having back then a very nice support buying pressure. Anyway, for GMT against USDT chart in overall, after the next few days and after the next few weeks, what I think we will be going to do is kind of this one right here. And I think that we can manage to go even below the 0.85. Unfortunately, this is the case for me, and this is what the way I'm seeing GMT against USDT as of now. I do not want you to get trapped into an altcoin like Luna and lose all your money. I want to be honest with you and I want to tell you the truth, right? So I believe that even if we have a slight buying pressure, GMT in overall will be going down even lower than the 0.79. Okay, so you should be extremely careful afterwards. Take short-term trades better on this situation than longer-term trades for GMT, although it is driven only by demand and not by supply, because we have a fixed, we cannot burn, we cannot increase the supply, and of course we are having only the demand playing out. However, it isn't the case that we should be going all in on GMT right now. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.